Okay, this is Lab04 setup. I have Arduino here, and these two pins are 5 volt and ground, and I connected them to the red and blue bus so I can use them over here. And these are the two buttons. The prongs are left and right, not up and down, so the prongs are like this, not like this. Okay. So the up button is between 31, let's see, B and 31E. And this side is connected to pin 9 on Arduino. And the down button also is between 36 and 30, I think 35 and 37. So the top is connected to Arduino pin 10. And the bottom side of the buttons are connected both to the black wire and to ground via the blue bus. The buzzer here, the active buzzer, has ground connected to the blue bus as well, and the positive pin goes to Arduino pin 5 for controlling it. The positive pin and negative pin, they're not exactly spaced as 0.1 inches, so I turned them slightly so that the positive pin will be on column E, and the negative pin is probably on column C or D. So they are virtually 2 rows apart from 41 to 43. But that fits. Don't try to squeeze them in where their spacing won't really allow you to do it. That won't make a good connection. Okay, so if you push one of the buttons, well, it starts with the buzzer buzzing at 10 times per second, and if you push one of the buttons, it starts to buzz more frequently, and push the other button, it starts to buzz less frequently until it goes to about 1 buzz per second. The other one goes to up to 20 buzzes per second. So let's hear this kind of uh, this in action. So let me plug it in. It's going to be a little annoying, but yeah, let's oh there. This is 10 times a second. So increasing the frequency. I think this is probably 20 times per second already. So decreasing frequency of the buzzing back to about 10, maybe a 5, a couple times per second, until once per second you have to wait. A bit more. Yeah, that's once per second. And back up in frequency. Okay. There we go.